Hello, Professor. Today we will explore the Stanford Prison Experiment through the lens of social psychology. This experiment by Philip Zimbardo aims to understand how social roles and authority influence behavior. Overview of the experiment. Zimbardo's experiment used random assignment to place participants into their roles, which was either guards or the prisoners. The goal was to observe the psychological effects of perceived power. As mentioned in our book, behavior is often shaped by the social context, which in this case is the simulated prison. Guards began to abuse power while prisoners became submissive. Obedience and role conformity. So one theme that's very highlighted in this experiment is obedience to authority. Obedience occurs when individuals follow commands from an authority figure, often against their own moral judgment, which in this case, the guards' abusive actions were driven by their desire to meet the expectations of Dr. Zimbardo, who was the authority figure in this experiment. De-individuation in action. Another powerful theme is de-individuation, which is referred to as the loss of self-awareness and personal accountability in a group setting. As shown in this picture, the guards' uniforms, the sunglasses, hid their identities, which fostered a sense of anonymity. De-individuation leads to behaviors that are more impulsive and aggressive, which is shown through the guard's position, which led them to act in violent ways. Ethical issues. So one major critique in this experiment is the ethical issues. The text emphasizes the importance of ethical guidelines in psychological research, mainly for protecting the participants from harm. During Zimbardo's study, several ethical principles were violated, such as participants were not informed about potential risks, and they were not able to withdraw from the experiment at any time. Our textbook states that researchers must always prioritize the participants' well-being. This was clearly compromised in the experiment. Actually, one of the prisoners actually begged to withdraw, and Zimbardo just kept going with the experiment. Ultimately, the Stanford Prison Experiment highlights how social roles, authority, and situational factors can influence behavior. Thank you, Professor.